Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to secure your Coinbase account with two-factor authentication. In order to secure your Coinbase account with two-factor authentication, you have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to go and log in into your Coinbase account. Make sure that your account is verified, and when you're logged into your account, then you could just go ahead and press on the home page just like this. Now here what you can see is that when you've actually had an account, you'll be able to see the option as sign in located right at the bottom, and when you're logged, that's going to take you to the home page. And basically, to turn on or enable your two-factor authentication, you have to go to security, and from this settings page or the security, you could go ahead and select two-factor settings tab, and under the available method section, select the setup button next to the security key option, and you can just follow the prompt and you'll have successfully set up two-step verification on your Coinbase account. So that is how you can set up or secure your Coinbase account with two-factor authentication. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.